Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, and man, I am so grateful for each and every one of you guys who are tuning in. I know so many people have been asking me, Mitchell, where have you been, bro? What have you been up to for the last 2 to 3 months? I know it's been quite some time since you released a video, but we're waiting, bro. What is good? And you guys are right, you deserve some answers. So I'm making this video for you all. Let's just dive right in, and I'm gonna explain to you and break down what exactly I've been up to for the last 2 to 3 months. Now, we all have a personal life, and to be honest, guys, my personal life kind of just caught up to me. You know, it all started about three and a half months ago when my girlfriend and I bought a brand new Golden Retriever puppy. And about 2 weeks into having this Golden Retriever puppy, the love of my life, Anna, this dog I adopted about 7 years ago, was going downhill very quickly. She got sick and she couldn't recover, and ultimately, guys, I had to make one of the hardest decisions of my life, and I had to let her go. I had to put her down and send her to a better place. So not only spending a lot of time taking care of this brand new puppy, I had to spend a lot of time taking care of my sick dog, and then when I put her down, that ultimately did not put me in the right headspace. I didn't even want to trade, guys. I stopped making videos, and ultimately, I kind of just blacked out for a little bit. But as my mentor would say, it's not how many times you get knocked down, it's about how many times you can stand back up and continue to push forward. However, what time was this happening around? Well, the holidays are starting to roll around, and Thanksgiving is about to roll around the corner. And for those guys who don't know, my father owns 2 Christmas tree lots here in the Orlando area. And my brother and I actually help him run one of the locations in Winter Garden, Florida. And that runs from a week before Thanksgiving to about a week before Christmas. So that whole month, in that time frame, a lot of my time is spent working at this Christmas tree lot. But on top of that, guys, my father and I are opening up a juice bar here in Clermont, Florida. It should open up maybe, I'm hoping, by the end of February or early March. We've been working on it for a couple months, but with this whole pandemic and COVID and everything going on, you know, they're implementing so many new rules and regulations that a lot of my time is spent figuring all this new things, these new regulations out, and just trying to get this thing opened as soon as possible. And you know, it's kind of just one thing after another. But on top of all of that, the biggest thing of them all is the freaking election. This election has been absolutely insane. It's technically still going on as we speak, and it's 2021. So it's just crazy. And every year there's an election. Around election time, the market sometimes is absolutely whack. Like, the market can go crazy, it can do stupid things, and typically I like to stay out of it when the market's doing crazy things, right? It can be so unpredictable that you have to be careful. And guys, I made the decision to kind of step back, not only from making YouTube videos, but I haven't traded in about 3 months. And I kind of said, you know what, I'm gonna wait until 2021 to get back to it, to get back to trading, and to start releasing more videos and more content for you all. So stay tuned, man. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also, hit the like button. Show me some freaking love. Show me that you want more content, because more content is coming. Trust me, I've been already working on a few things so far. So stay tuned. Much love, and I hope to see you all soon.